So we're trying to prove that ABCD is a rectangle. The easiest way to do that is to prove that all four of its angles are right angles. Now we know that right angles are created from perpendicular segments, so I'm going to find the slopes of all four sides, because if I know the slopes, I can show that they're opposite reciprocals, making the sides that are next to each other perpendicular. Okay, so let's start with the slope of AD, which is the same as the slope of BC. So both of them have negative slopes. It's going down 4/1. So AD has a slope of negative 4/1, and so does segment BC, negative 4/1. Now my other pair of sides have positive slopes. It's going up 2, right 8. Same thing here. So for AB, two over 8, which is equal to, if I simplify that, 1/4, and then CD is going to have the same slope, also 1/4. So I can see now that I have opposite reciprocal slopes. Negative 4/1 is the opposite reciprocal of positive 1/4. So let's write our explanation. ABCD is a rectangle because all four of its angles are right angles. To explain how I know that they're right angles, there are some key words that I have to use. I have to talk about the sides being perpendicular because their slopes are opposite reciprocals. So I'm going to say that any pair of consecutive sides, now consecutive means next to each other. You could also say adjacent sides. Any pair of consecutive sides is perpendicular since their slopes, and let's put this in parentheses, negative 4/1 and positive 1/4 are opposite reciprocals. So again, the key words that I really needed to include here for my rectangle proof is talking about there being right angles, how consecutive sides are perpendicular, because the slopes are opposite reciprocals.